Am I the only one that didn't know dropshipping could be affordable? Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for starting and growing your online business. Here, you'll find everything from e-commerce strategies to digital marketing hacks. Today, we're diving into how to start dropshipping with minimal investment. Think dropshipping is too pricey to start? Think again. Here are some budget-friendly tips to get you rolling. First, pick a niche. Focus on a specific product category to hone your marketing efforts. Next, choose a reliable supplier with quality products and fast shipping. Build an online store that's user-friendly and optimized for SEO. Use platforms like Shopify or Ecommerce to get started. Leverage social media. Promote your products on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to reach a wider audience. Keep your prices competitive to attract customers. And don't forget product reviews. They build trust and boost sales. Utilize email marketing to promote new products and special deals. Run promotions and offer discounts to encourage purchases. Always stay updated with industry trends. It helps in offering in-demand products. Consider multiple suppliers to ensure stock availability and variety. Finally, track your performance using analytics tools to make data-driven decisions. So you're ready to start. Remember, patience and persistence are key. Happy dropshipping. Thank you for watching and being part of our community. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. We're always open to your suggestions.